Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Milk frother. Make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss Frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte. You know your tastes best. Note: packaging may vary. Easy to clean and store. The durable, convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Cleanup for this matcha whisk frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on. Instantly clean. When stored on counter or table, it sits nicely next other coffee accessories. Our powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries, included, with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. Oil separator. Healthier and delicious gravy. Now you can enjoy all your gravy, soups, sauces, and bacon grease without all the fat quickly and easily, and not to mention healthier. The grease separator will be your perfect choice when you're looking for the flavor but not the fat. Better tasting and healthy. You always want the best taste whether you're making gravy, dressing, or other sauce, and removing the fat, grease, and oil is the best way to start. Toaster. Multifunctional toaster. Kickstart your mornings with fresh toast or perfectly warmed bagels with the Mueller Ultra Crisp 4-slice toaster. Features cancel, defrost, and reheat functions, self-centering slot guides, and intelligent heating technology to deliver even toasting every time. Full control. 6 browning settings let you take control of your toasting level so you can enjoy your toast exactly how you like it. Memory recall keeps your settings saved, but with sleek touch buttons and LED display, it's just as easy to switch between settings. Effortless cleaning. Toasters naturally gather crumbs, but with our removable crumb tray, maintenance is a breeze. The convenient underbase cord storage keeps your toaster compact and your countertop tidy. Crafted with premium components, this brushed stainless steel toaster is a guaranteed asset to your kitchen and a must-have for any apartment essentials list. Kitchen washcloths. Cotton dishcloths. 100% cotton waffle weave dishcloths that feel soft and comfortable. Unique honeycombs design make it have durability. And it softens with each wash, so these dish towels won't scratch your delicate cookware, plates, and pans. Unique design. The classic hollow honeycomb weave makes this set of dishcloths lightweight, breathable, and super absorbent to help you tackle all your drying, wiping, and assisting you with all your kitchen tasks. Easy care. In order to minimize shrinkage, please machine wash with cold water, gentle cycle, tumble dry low. Do not use bleach or fabric softeners, as this will affect the longevity and absorbency of the towels. Low iron if needed. Ideal present. Hamaxi soft, functional, and ultra-absorbent dish towels are a paper towel alternative or choice as Mother's Day, holiday, housewarming, and hostess presents. Garlic press. Simple to use, built to last. Our premium quality garlic chopper is constructed from food-grade, rust-resistant materials meant to be among your favorite kitchen gadgets for years to come. This garlic and ginger mincer is designed with built-in studs to extract more paste within seconds. It is great for both professional and home kitchens. Easy to clean. Simply rinse your garlic and ginger press tool under running water and use the included cleaning brush to get rid of any garlic bits or place it in the dishwasher for a quick cleanup. We recommend rinsing the garlic crusher right after use to avoid residual pulp and fibers hardening up. Hassle-free, Zuli guarantee. We love and take pride in our ginger and garlic press and back this up with a lifetime warranty. We offer an incredible value at a moderate price and are confident that you'll love our garlic grinder. Prop 65 warning. This product may contain chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer. Microwave splatter cover. Universal splatter guard. Designed for cover plates, bowls, and other microwave-safe dishware, this grease splatter guard helps keep food from popping all over the inside of your appliance for improved cleanliness. Collapsible silicone dome. A unique design that makes it easier to cover all types of different dishes 6-inch to 10 in size. Our microwave splatterproof cover is made with a flexible, heat-resistant silicone that's BPA-free and offers food-grade versatility. Clear glass top. This microwave food cover splatter blocker is also designed with a borosilicate glass top that lets you see your food on the inside, so you can see if it's completely cooked. Important for quick microwavable foods or longer cooking. Plastic storage bins. Made in USA. Our storage bins are proudly crafted in the USA using high-quality, durable materials, ensuring your belongings stay safe and secure. See-through design. You can easily see what's inside the box without opening it, thanks to its transparent design. Stackable storage. Maximize space in your home, office, or playroom. The securely locking lid keeps items safe and allows bins to be stacked on top of each other. Pull handle buckles. A handy handle on the bottom of the bin makes it easy to pull it out even from high shelves, while secure buckles keep lid in place. BPA-free and acid-free. The material used is safe for storing items, as it's free from harmful chemicals like BPA, acids, and phthalates. Tapered design. Easily nest them when not in use. Dimensions: 16.5L into 11W into 6.8H. Inside dimensions: 12L into 8W into 5.5H. Dish drying rack. Spacious design for large loads. This full-size dish rack offers ample space for plates, mugs, glasses, bowls, utensils, and even larger items like pots and pans. Please refer to product dimensions to ensure an ideal fit for your countertop. Non-slip, stable base. Equipped with soft, anti-slip feet, this dish rack stays securely in place, protecting surfaces and providing stability even on smooth countertops. Rust-resistant, durable coating. Constructed with heavy-duty satin-coated steel wires, this dish rack is designed to resist rusting and stand up to daily kitchen use. To maintain optimal rust resistance, dry the rack and drain board after use. Improved angled drainage system. The angled drain board directs water straight into the sink, preventing pooling and keeping countertops dry. The board and rack are precisely aligned for smooth water flow and easy cleaning. Food storage container. Premium borosilicate glass. Experience the durability and clarity of our borosilicate glass food storage containers. Perfect for everyday use, these containers are a popular choice among consumers looking for long-lasting, high-quality kitchenware. Airtight freshness. Keep your meals fresher for longer with our airtight food storage containers. The precision-fit lids ensure an airtight seal, making them ideal for meal prep and preserving leftovers, while maintaining flavor and freshness. Microwave oven-safe convenience. Simplify your cooking and reheating process with our oven-safe and microwave-safe glass containers. Their versatile design is perfect for busy lifestyles, allowing for easy transition from freezer to microwave or oven. Safe, trustworthy. Prioritize your health with our BPA-free glass food containers. They provide the assurance of safety and quality for all your kitchen storage needs. Kitchen knife set. High-quality knife set. High-quality stainless steel kitchen knife set is durable and rust-resistant for longer and more frequent use. All-in-one kitchen knife set. 15-piece knife set includes 8 chef's knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 Santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, 6 4.5 serrated steak knives, 1 kitchen shear, knife block with built-in knife sharpener. Sharp knife set. The knives are carefully tuned for maximum sharpness for fast food cutting. Dishwasher safe. The knife set can be washed in the dishwasher, easy and quick to operate, and dry the knife set after cleaning for easy storage, not taking up space. Perfect gift, all black knife set. Elegant and beautiful. Suitable for gifts, home. We provide warranty for each customer. Please feel free to buy.